Trying to figure out how to use your optical headset on the new consoles? Do you stream or game on console and PC, but you use multiple headsets? I'm gonna help you out with that. Get 'em, get 'em, get 'em, doc. Get 'em, doc. Get 'em, get 'em, get 'em, doc. Get 'em, doc. Get 'em, get 'em, get 'em, doc. Get 'em, get 'em. Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Doc Miaz. Today we are going to be talking about the Gofanco HDMI HDR switch with audio. I'm going to show you guys how to use one headset for console as well as PC. I have the SteelSeries Arctis Pro Wireless, which on my Xbox One X, I used to use the optical cable and plug it into the optical out on the back of the Xbox One X. The Xbox Series X does not have an optical out. What I could have done is hook up a USB cable from the back of my Arctis Pro Wireless DAC and then plug that into the back of the Xbox Series X. But if I did that, then I wouldn't get any audio from my gaming PCs or the PS5 when I do get it, when they are available, which we all know that right now they're kind of hard to get. With this switch with audio, what's so cool about it is that it has a optical out on it. I've ran a optical cable from my DAC to the Gofanco HDR HDMI switch on the audio out part of it, and in the back I have my Xbox Series X plugged into it. I have my gaming PC plugged into it, and I have two more spots open up, one for the PS5 and one for whatever else. So besides using one headset for console and PC, the feature that I find really cool is the remote. Check this out really quick, guys. All right, so that's the Xbox Series X. Now, if I want to go to the PC, I just go ahead and just click the remote. And then it's going to switch over to my gaming PC. And I can just switch back over to the Xbox One X. Or if I had something else like the PlayStation. Never gonna get it, never gonna get it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a thumbs up. Link is in the description for this switch. And if you'd like to hang out with me on Twitch, I am streaming Monday through Friday, 9 o'clock p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Link is also in the description. Take care. God bless. I'll see you soon.